Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, yes, my hair is wet, mainly because it is super hot right now and I couldn't figure out what to wear. So I'm wearing this like crop top, almost shoulder, like, I don't know what the fuck those are called. What are they called? Turtlenecks. It's almost a turtleneck, and some pineapple earrings, but I am like freaking so hot, yet it is cloudy here in LA. Yeah, so today I'm going to be doing an eye look using the Alyssa Edwards palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is what it looks like, and basically I don't know what I'm gonna do. I tried practicing creating a pride look yesterday and this palette was not cooperating with me. So I'm gonna figure out something. I don't know what. I kind of want to do something pride related since it is June and June's almost over and I need to create a pride look because, well, it's Pride Month, and even though we should be celebrating this every single day of the year, this is the month where we should make it aware that love is love, basically. And yeah, I'm going to wing it like I always do. I'm first gonna probably do my eyebrows. I almost said eyes. I'm gonna do my brows, and I'm gonna use the Iconic London Cush Brow thing that we got in one of our boxy boxes. Sorry, I probably like blind you guys. This is what it looks like. So yeah, I'm gonna do that real quickly. And where are my dog is underneath me and growling at me. You don't belong there. All right, now I'm gonna wait for those brows to dry a bit because it is still kind of wet, but it does dry pretty quickly. While those are drying, I'm gonna prime my lids using my Carity primer. My lids are still stained from the Jeffree Star video that I filmed, which I filmed yesterday, but posted 2 days ago, because I will be posting this video on Sunday. All right, now that we got a tacky base going, I need to grab my eyeshadow brushes. Okay, so I'm gonna grab the Alyssa Edwards palette, and I'm gonna take probably the shade Texas Made, which is this pink one right here, and I'm gonna probably throw that in my crease and kind of just throw that. I'm gonna tap it like that. It is super pigmented. I'm going to try to find a slightly smaller brush, kind of tap that shade in. I tried using the blue and the purple yesterday, and it didn't turn out so well. So I'm probably not going to use those shades on my lid today. I'm going to blend those edges out. Okay, I'm gonna take another crease brush, maybe a little bit thinner. I'm gonna take this brush and I'm gonna dip into Brick Road, which is this one right here, which is the yellow. And I'm gonna put that, oh, it's a lot of fallout. Put that above the crease shade. I'm trying to explore with color more because I'm such a neutral girl. I'm trying to get out of my comfort zone and just create something different. Then I don't know what I want to do. This is where I'm kind of like, I'm going to take the white shade called Headliner, and I'm going to throw that right there. Maybe I'll put it on the empty spots. I really wanted to do something with this gold shade right here, but I don't know what. I might actually pop it on the inner corners just to see what it looks like. Or maybe I'll mix these two together and see. Oh, that's cool. Like that. And then I either want to grab the blue and the purple and put that under my lash line. Okay, I'm gonna start with the purple, which is called Believe, and I gotta take my time with this. And then I'm gonna take the blue shade called Dream It. I'm gonna take the pink Texas Made and put that right there. And I'm just gonna intensify everything. That's what the eye's looking like. Now I'm gonna finish the rest of my face off camera and I'll be right back, done with the other eye. Okay, now that this side is basically done, I just have to throw on mascara on that side. I'm gonna show you guys what I did. So for this side, I kind of just put on the shade Beast, which is the black in here, and mocked it as eyeliner. So that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, and then for my brow bone, I use the shade Headliner, which is that white. That's what the eyes look like now. I'm actually pretty impressed with it, honestly. For not being a makeup artist, this is not bad, and after struggling so much yesterday, not bad. So I'm gonna grab my ColourPop BFF mascara, I'm gonna curl my lashes and apply that. This is the Blur lipstick in All Tea. And that basically completes this entire look using the Anastasia Alyssa Edwards palette. Almost butchered that, but this is my Pride inspired look, and I don't think I did that bad of a job. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. Honestly, at first I was pissed off at this palette because I couldn't really work with them, but I kind of just worked my way around it. I cannot use the blue and the purple on my lid. These two shades right here, they will just like wipe away for some reason. But other than that, I really like this Pride look. I think it's really pretty. Definitely out of my comfort zone, but again, I'm trying to get out of my comfort zone and try things that are different and new. Yeah. I don't think I'm gonna wear this to work. I might film another video afterwards, even though I do want to wear this to work. It's so cool. That completes this entire video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Happy Pride Month. I love you. And don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!